Let me show you how we can manage widgets in the home screen on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Flip 7 FE. In order to add a widget to the home screen, you can simply press and hold your finger on an empty area in the home screen, and then you can find widgets at the bottom. Here we can find some example widgets that we can use, but if you scroll down, you can also find some more stuff. So for example, let me use an example widget, let's say this one over here. And you can tap on the widget in order to add it to the first available spot, or you can press and hold your finger in order to select it, and you can drag it and drop it anywhere. I'm gonna actually drag it to this empty space over here. In some cases, we have some additional settings for specific widgets, so we can do something like this in order to add them, and it looks like this. But this is actually quite unique, so only some widgets have this feature. If you want to, for example, get rid of a widget, then you can press and hold your finger in order to find remove. There's also settings if applicable, and create stack. And this stack pretty much allows you to add additional widgets that have the same size into the same spot. So let's say we're gonna go to Chrome and we're gonna also add, let's actually try to find 4x2. So we have ChatGPT, for example, let's add this one. And as you can see here, we can just swipe between these widgets and they are in the same spot. We can of course keep adding more and more widgets over here. You don't have to limit to only 2. So let's say we're gonna also go to battery. Here we have 4x2, so let's select it. There we go. And as you can see, we have multiple different widgets in the same spot. If you want to remove something from the stack, then you can edit this stack, and over here we can just remove it like this. There we go. Now, if you want to change the size of a widget, you can press and hold your finger as well. And if the widget can be resized, then you will have a white outline. So let me actually quickly use another widget, which we can customize. Let's say I'm going to choose this one. And as you can see over here, we have these corners, white corners that we can use in order to change the size. You can also press and hold and then drag the widget around the home screen in order to change its position. And that is essentially it. This is everything that we can do with home screen widgets. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.